Today I'm going to show you how to use the sound burger. Analog music is all about warmth. It warms your heart and you'll fall in love. First of all, the most important thing, remove the screw that holds the tone arm in place. If you don't remove the screw, you'll never fall in love. The screw is very important, so store it somewhere safe like your jewelry box. Now, I'd love to start right away, but wait a minute. You can't hurry love. Charge the battery with the USB cable that comes with the device. Don't worry, you can still use it while it's charging. Make sure you put the sound burger on a flat surface. Don't put it too close to the radio, phone, or speakers. Next, open the cover by pressing the open button. Because you need to be open to fall in love. Pull the tone arm out until it clicks and take out the 45 RPM adapter. Now it's time to fall in love.
Hi, I've got the record.
Yay! Slide the LP record on the spindle and put the 45 RPM adapter on top. If you're listening to an EP record, put the 45 RPM adapter under the record. Close the cover and turn the sound burger on.
Is it my turn yet?
There you are! I've been waiting for you! Put your Bluetooth speaker or headphones into pairing mode. Press and hold the connect button on the sound burger for 2 seconds. If the power indicator flashes white, the connection has worked. If it doesn't flash white, try again. Just because you got rejected once doesn't mean you should give up on love.
Exactly.
You can also connect to speakers or headphones with a wire by plugging the included cable into the line out. Now for the climax. Are you ready? Once you remove the cartridge protector, store that in your jewelry box too. Set the RPM as it says on the record. Move the tone arm and the record will start spinning. Gently place the needle on the jagged edge and... Can you hear it? You're going to keep getting goosebumps. Now playing Analog Love. Woohoo! If you want to listen to the second half of the record, just flip it over. If you want to hear the same song again, just put the needle back to the beginning of the song. Analog sounds so good. Now, you too can fall in love with analog. See you later!